Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're making our own ornaments, like Christmas ornaments for a Christmas tree. I'm going to be using cedar, and I'm going to be cutting them and sending them down so the family can paint them up, and it's going to be a cool little project. So let's get to it. There you go. Now they're ready for painting. And then you can put tie a string on it, or buy those little clips for regular ornaments and hook them up to here and start hanging them on your trees. As always, thanks for watching. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe so you can see upcoming videos, and hit that like button for me. Throw in a comment to see what you like to see, how you think I'm doing these things. If you have any better ideas, I'd love to hear them. Any other creative ideas, that'd be really cool for me to do. And until next time, see you later.